We make the strings louder.
Hey, look at what we did! Yeah, what's up, YouTube? I want to go home. Yeah, he's tired wants to go home, but yeah, he wants to work on motors right now. So here we are in my garage, working on the ProCharge G35
Love the ProCharge
motor. It's the same setup as mine. It's got Wesco pistons. Sorry. Wiseco piston, Eagle rods, 8.8 to 1 compression, same as mine, but this one has maybe 5,000-6,000 miles on it. Mine's brand new. I also got a pair of heads right here. These are built DE non-rev up. They got Tolai 272 camshafts. I'm not sure what valve springs they have, but they're good up to 8,000 RPM, which I'm not going to bother doing right now because my turbo runs out at 7,000.
So 1,000 RPMs
Of just nothing. Of just absolutely
it's just
blowing hot air. It'll just blow hot air basically. It won't.
Make no power.
Yeah, so it isn't really worth it for now, but at least I have the capability of when I get my new Garrett GT35R, new, yeah, I can tell him about that one. He wanted that turbo so bad for his car.
Well,
But a twin scroll version. They make them.
I want to do something different. I want to do supercharger blown in, turbo blown into supercharger.
That means supercharger blowing into a turbo.
No, turbo blown into supercharger.
That's totally dead pointless.
No, it's not, because it made 500 horsepower and a 2.2 liter NA block.
Yeah, but the whole point is that you have no turbo lag, so you want the supercharger to blow the turbo and spool turbo faster at lower RPM.
But that requires so much more re-engineering the wheel when you can just take. Well, you can use the front mount kit that I've already made and then make a fitting for it right on the backside. You can use Mini Cooper style superchargers.
But you want a Vortex blower.
No, I'm doing a root style package deal off of a Mini Cooper S, like an 03, and it has mounts on either side of it, and you can mount it.
He's an idiot.
Fuck you, asshole, because I've seen it done multiple times and it makes good power and it's very responsive. It makes sense.
He's an idiot. But anyway, so yeah, we're gonna do a time-lapse video of us ripping this whole thing apart. And I can see his face when he sees this clutch because it is a monster clutch. It's huge.
I'll probably shit my pants.
Yeah, he might piss himself because of the size of it.
Because the only clutch I've seen is my Subaru one, which is about yay big.
Oh, dude, it's like he's gonna piss himself. It's gonna be funny. We're just gonna cut to a little video or a picture of him just standing
of
like
my dumb face, like.
What
is that?
Yeah, that'll be entertaining. But real quick, so.
Show them some things here.
Yeah, show him some things.
Some things.
So these are going to be mine. He got long tube headers, so I'm getting these shorties, so it'll help improve better flow for my turbo. Here we are partway through here, and Eric over here pulls off the oil pan. Sorry, just the oil plug. And we see this.
Not a good thing.
That is never a good thing. It's a lot of metal. So, we're a bit worried here. Well, me, personally.
I don't have two shirts because it's not my motor.
So as I'm taking this thing apart, you notice the wear mark. So my thought is it's the camshaft, it might be bent. And that was rubbing, and it's also killing the bearings too, so won't really know until I can take this off. Luckily, even if the bearings are toast, it doesn't matter because we have new heads sitting right there. So we don't really care if these heads are bad. But we'll see what happens in the next couple minutes here. out here taking off all the main bearings here, and with a motor you really don't want to be able to do this.
It's a little fucked.
That's a little bad. That's not good. What's going on, YouTube? Some music going here. Alright. So, I'm pulling this motor apart. I was actually, the bearings were still there. There's one of them at least. Paper thin. Focuses. There we go. Yeah, it's not supposed to be like that. So, crankshaft is fucked. Whole motor's coming apart. We just ordered a crap ton of parts for a lot of money to hopefully get this motor back together. Went to Harbor Freight, got some drawers here. Help organize all my stuff instead of using these little bins. That's a license plate. There we go. So I'm going to be doing a time lapse of the rest of the teardown. I should get the rest of the motor torn down tonight, I hope. Down to the bare block. So let's get going here. Full teardown. Block looks good. I don't see any unusual scarring in the cylinder. All torn down. Sorry, my phone died for the last little bit there. But looks in pretty good shape. Those are these little guys here. Those are oil squirters. They actually squirt oil up into the piston to keep them cool. And the rods as well, so if they don't overheat and warp or change color, which this be warping. So here's all the pistons. They all look good. These are Eagle H rod, and you can see here, nice coloring, same color. Looks burnt. So we got a new one of those coming for that cylinder. All of the bearings, and I mean all of them, are scored because the motor was actually over revved. I think the crank was actually bent a tiny bit. A little warped, I'm not quite sure. So, yeah. I'm gonna get a hot tank, get all the metal out of it, and then we're gonna get it checked out. Make sure it's still straight. And in the meantime, I'm gonna start working on my block here pretty soon. Show you guys how to get rid of that little bit of surface rust. Not too bad in this block. It's been sitting for a while, so get rid of it. And new crank and a bunch of other parts will be here on Friday. These bins are the best thing ever, by the way, if you're wondering. But it's me, here's the new computer. This
for a rev-up motor with the non-rev-up DE VQ35 DEs. The exhaust and the intake cams are timed together. You cannot independently change them. But with the rev-up heads, which I'm not going to rev out, I'm not going to unbury over there, they you can. So it just gives you a little bit more tunability. Brain's not working, but it just helps a lot with everything. So please subscribe, see more of our videos. I'm going to be posting more of this kind of stuff. I'm going to do the first startup and everything, so I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.